What's up, everybody? Josh from Apex Overland. It is Friday. Got a little bit done to it today. Had a little bit done yesterday. Made one passenger side transmission tunnel. Show you right here. Now I'm working on the driver's side. So I've used a little CAD work here, cardboard aided drafting, to put that over into actual CAD. So show what we have here. You can see I've made a cardboard template, and then we have transferred that over to the program here and have all the stuff drawn up. So let me tape it all back together, put it on the transmission tunnel, and then I'll show you what this comes out to be. All right, that is what we have came up with. So that'll be the driver's side. No idea why I made a pocket here, but we'll find something to put there. But let me put the top down. There you go. So it'll sit something like that. We'll weld it all together. It'll be awesome. So now it's cutting everything out. And there it is, made out of metal. Need to go through and weld everything, obviously, but yeah, everything will shimmy, but everything gets sealed up. All these relief cuts will get welded and ground, and then any like gaps like that, we'll have a rubber pad in there just to seal the floorboard up best we can. What's up, everybody? It is now Saturday. Didn't get a whole lot done yesterday or Thursday, but Jill is out of town at a Overland event up in Pennsylvania, so it's me and the kids. They're out there riding their bike. Blocked the parking lot off for them. They're riding around a trash can, a chair, and a fuel can. But let me show you. We got the cage drug back forward on the frame, and it's tacked back in place. So let's show what we're gonna do today. It's all in place. We've got the sides done. I don't know what these things are actually called. I call them Klinkos. They're just holding the sheet metal in place. That piece fit. We just took it off because we're going to take the floor side pieces off so I can get the seats in, and we can start working on more tube work. This cage should not come off from here on out. So let's get rolling. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I like it. Oh, my goodness, this is hard.
All right, I'm gonna get the shifter onto the center console piece, and we'll bolt it in place. So as we're making dash bars and stuff, we can kind of figure out the center console. So I have the driver's side bar right there in. Let's put the passenger side in. So notched them up, beveled them, all the fun stuff. We are super tight fit, which is good. looks right. Let's measure it, make sure it's right. What's up, everybody? It is Tuesday. Been way too busy here with normal day-to-day stuff to get anything done, but it's in the afternoon. It's like 1:30, 2 o'clock. That's the last thing to get done. Quinn's knocking it out, so I'm doing other things on the crawler today. But what came in yesterday is awesome. Both axles. So let me show you what we have. What's funny is they're both out of 2005s. The rear axle is out of a 2005 Chevy 2500. It is a Chevy 14 bolt. Already has the calipers on it, so I don't have to convert from disc brake. We'll have to get smaller calipers because those suckers are massive. So we'll do half tons on those. And then the front is out of a 2005 Dodge 3500. It is an AAM 9 1/4. Quote Dana 60, but it is not a Dana 60. They are both 8 lug. So what we've done is our KMC wheels that used to sit over there, we have sent those guys off. No point in converting over to a 6 lug. You can just run 8, and they're the same bolt pattern. So we sent the wheels back, the Toyota ones back, and we'll have the same wheel. They're just 8 lug. One's already came in. I'm not going to show you it. It literally the same wheel. So my task for right now is to cut the dash bar up and start locating my pedals and steering wheel so we can start making all the dash bar and the firewall and all that. And so here we go. More metal. All right, so got the steering wheel and dash in place. A little bit of ratchet strap action to hold the wheel in place. When I sit in there, wrists are hitting the edge of the wheel. Don't mind this cheap $20 wheel. I didn't want to put the nice Sparco or Momo, whatever I end up getting in here for all the fabrication and stuff. So went and just bought a cheap $20 one that has the same offset. Quick release. I've got the factory whole steering column in here, so I can still have the tilt and the slide in and out. So super adjustable. It's not set in place. There you go. We have it just tacked right there. It luckily landed perfectly. Ratchet strap holding that bar. Ratchet strap holding the steering wheel so the twist is right. And then next we have to do, since the brake master cylinder mount that goes to there is not straight. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut these and we're gonna get the brake right next. And then once that's ready, we'll get the old plasma cutter, fire it up, run a program, and we'll make arms that come and attach. And then when we run our other dash bar all the way across, we'll make arms that attach to it. And the main reason for doing this, a lot of people just do a new steering column, especially since we're going hydro, is this has our ignition, which I have to find the keys. I have no idea where they went. Oh, they're there. It has the ignition, it'll have a turn signal, and like I said, it's got the tilt and the in and out. So most people can drive it and it works. So here we go. Jill, what do you think?
This is coming along. I'm super excited. And really cozy in this chair. Cannot wait. Let's drive it.
So I just turned a rough drawing of the front cage bar, dash bar, and then the factory dash bar measurements and everything into that. So let's cut it out. And it's in place. All right, it is now Wednesday. Went to go edit the video this morning when I got to work, realized I didn't do an outro, but it's right at lunchtime. My work has been completed for the day, so get to work on the buggy. Let me show you again what we got done. It cut out some brackets, so the whole, this is the factory steering column piece, is reused. Keeping all that, we'll have turn signals and headlights, tilt, all of that. And then a little bit ago, I got done with the brake master cylinder plate. So it's a 11 gauge plate that comes down, grabs all 4 holes right there, and then has little flanges on it so we can start making our firewall. I took the yoke off the steering shaft, so the PSC valve, it'll pass through the firewall, and the PSC orbital valve will live right about here. So that'd be super easy to service and get to the fittings and stuff if we need to. ABS pump obviously would be easy to get to. And I am currently working on the downturns of the rack here. So as you see, this comes down, it doesn't have, it's got the one tube there. So I'm working on this tube. Got my little alignment marks right there, so I know I put it in the same spot every time. And then the top, we're working on slowly. Still got to come in some. So we'll mark it up, get it welded on. That's where I'm going to leave you guys. Please like and subscribe. Please share this. Anything helps. Almost to that magical 1,000 subscriber mark. I think we're at 800 and something, and then the watch hours still have to go up, but that's just me putting in work and making videos here. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share it. But we'll see you guys later. I'll let this thing run.